Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we shall learn how to find out the LCM of any given numbers. So before finding out the LCM of any given numbers, let us try to understand the full form of LCM. So L stands for lowest, C stands for common, and M stands for multiple. Now let us try to understand the meaning of each word, lowest, then common and multiple. To understand the meaning of all these three words, let me write the table of 2, then 3 and 4. So let me write the first table of 2. So these are the table of 2 and these all are multiples of 2. Then next let me write the table of 3. Six, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33. These all are multiples of 3. Now let me write the table of 4. These 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 all are multiples of 4. So I have written the multiples of 2, 3 and 4. Now let us try to understand the meaning of common. So among these 2, 3 and 4, no, let me see which is common here. Common means what? Same number should be available in 2, then 3 and also 4. Let me find out here. So 12 is available in 2, 12 is also available in 3 and 12 is also available in 4. So this is one common number here, 12, 12, 12. The next common number, let us see. Next common number is 24. So 24 is also available in 2. So next common number is 24. So I think common all you have understood now. Now let us take next word, that is lowest. So among this 12 and 24, no, 12 and 24. So which is lowest? 12. So 12 is a lowest common multiple of these 2, 3 and 4. So before 12, no, there is no common multiple here. So 6 is available in 2, 6 is also available in 3, but 6 is not available in 4. So this is the first method to find out the LCM of any numbers by writing the tables. So let me write the second method to find out the LCM of any number. So this is the first method. Then second method, let me write here. So how to write the second method here? By writing like this, 2, 3 and 4. So you have to divide this number now. Dividing these numbers now, first you have to divide by the least prime number. So which is the least prime number here? 2. So you cannot divide directly 4. Let me write here this number separately, 2, 3 and 4. So you cannot divide directly by 4 ones are 4 like this. So first you have to divide by the least prime number, that is 2. So it is divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. This 3 is not divisible by 2. So that's why you have to write this 3 number as it is. Then next, again you have to divide by 2. So this is divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2. 3 is not divisible by 2. So then you have to write as it is. And this one you have to write as it is. 2 is not divisible, so that's why you have to consider next number, that is 3. So 3 ones are 3, and then you have to write this 1 as it is, 1 1. So if you get everywhere 1 1 1, no, that time you have to stop and these prime numbers you have to multiply. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So if you multiply this, no, 2 into 2 4, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So 12 is the lowest common multiple of 2, 3 and 4. So this is the second method to find out the LCM of any given number. Let's move to the third method. So third method is very useful for your competitive examination, where you are getting less duration to solve any question paper. So how to write? So same number I am taking 2, 3 and 4. First you have to see the highest number. So what is the highest number here? 4. 4 is the highest number. So next you have to see whether among these 2 and 3, know which is divisible by this number. So 2 is divisible by 4. So that time you have to cancel this. But 3 is not divisible by 4. So therefore you have to multiply by 2. 4 2s are 8. So 8 is not divisible by 3. So therefore you have to move to 3. So you have to multiply by 3 now. 4 into 3 is 12. Now you have to check whether this 3 is divisible by 12, whether this 12 is divisible by 3 or not. So 12 is divisible by 3. That's why 12 is a lowest common multiple of this 2, 3 and 4. Understand the third method, no? Let me write a few more numbers here. 2, 4 and 6. And you have to find out the LCM of this 2, 4 and 6. So first you have to check 6 is divisible by 2 or not. So 6 is divisible by 2. So therefore 2 you have to cancel it. Then 6 is not divisible by 4. 6 is not divisible by 4, no. So that time what you have to do? You have to multiply this. 6 multiplied by 2. What answer you are getting here? 12. Now you have to check whether this 12 is divisible by 4 or not. So 12 is divisible by 4. So what is the lowest common multiple of this 2, 4 and 6? 12. So 12 is the lowest common multiple of 2, 4 and 6. Let me find out the LCM by this second method. Let me write here 2, 4 and 6. So which number you have to take first? 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Then again you have to take the 2. 2 ones are 2. This 3 is not divisible by 2. So therefore this 3 you have to write as it is, and this 1 you have to write as it is. So still we are not getting 1 1 everywhere. So that's why you have to take next number, that is 3. So 3 is divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3. Now this 1 you have to write as it is, and this is also 1 you have to write as it is. Now this prime number you have to multiply. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 2s are 4. 4 multiplied 3 is 12. 12 is the LCM of this 2, 4 and 6. So this is the second method. This is the best method for your competitive examination. Within few seconds you can solve this. Let me take a few more numbers. 6, then 12, 24, then 48. So which is the highest number here? 48 is the highest number among these 6, 12, 24 and 48. Now you have to check whether 48 divisible by 6, 12 or 24. So 48 is divisible by 6. Then you have to see 12 is divisible by 48 or not. So this 12 is divisible by 48. You have to cancel it. Then 24 is also divisible by 48. So then this also you have to cancel. So all these numbers are divisible. So that's why 48 is the lowest common multiple of this 6, 12, 24 and 48. So you can solve this by this method also. Let me solve this. 6, 12, 24 and 48. So first you have to divide by the least prime numbers, that is 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 12s are 24, this is 2 and this is 4, 24 2s are 48. Then again you have to divide by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 12s are 24. This 3 is not divisible by 2, that's why this 3 you have to write as it is. Now next, again you can take 2 because this 12 number is divisible by 2. So 2 6 are 12, then 6 also divisible by 2, 2 3s are 6, and this 3 you have to write as it is, 3 and 3. Now next number you have to take 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, and 3 2s are 6. Now you have to divide by 2 here. 2 1s are 2, and then 1 you have to write as it is, 1 1 1. Now all these prime numbers you have to multiply. Numbers 2 2 2 3 and 2, no, you have to multiply now. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are 48. So 48 is the lowest common multiple of 6, 12, 24 and 48. So either you can do by this method or this method. So this is the best method for your competitive examination, and this you can use anytime, and this is the safest method to find out the LCM of any numbers. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment, share, and please do subscribe to my channel.